Hey Diva Dolls, this is CRYSTALCHANEL and I am back with your favorite type of video. This is a try on haul video and I partnered with Rosegal, so I have some really inexpensive, cute pieces, and if y'all want to see what it is that I picked up, stay tuned. Okay, so let's get started. This
picture of me trying on this wig. This wig is human hair. I had to curl it a little bit because it came kind of smushed, but something easy to play with for the summer. It's something you can curl yourself. You can wash it. They're really inexpensive, really cute, just something to switch up the look if you were interested. So be sure to check out their hair section, y'all. You'd be so surprised what you'll find there.
Okay, dolls, so that is it. Y'all know I am always picking up new items and I always want to try it on, find different things that I can that's on sale. So look down below. They're having a 5th year anniversary sale, so a lot of this stuff is really inexpensive. I'll put all the coupon codes that I can. I'll also include my sizes. So it was really an okay haul. I really like picking up solid colors and also prints because in the summertime, you can just throw on some shorts and a top and keep it moving. A lot of these tops, again, some worked out, some didn't so well, but this is a company that is across seas, so you have to be mindful of the sizing. Be sure to check out my other videos or be sure to check out the sizing chart. If you don't already follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat, be sure that you do, and my name is @ChryssyTheDoll. Now, y'all, I'm gonna keep saying it over and over and over again. I love doing these type of videos for you. I really appreciate the support. So please, if you don't already subscribe to this channel, be sure that you do. Also be sure to subscribe to my fitness channel as well as my vlog channel and share this video with a friend. If you know somebody who likes to dress, who likes to be on the low like your girl, go ahead and share this video. But again, dolls, I really appreciate all the support. I'm at almost 74,000 subscribers. I can't wait to hit 100K. Be sure if you're not a part of the notification crew that you hit that bell so that you can get new updates whenever I put my videos out. And that's really it. I can't really think of anything else. So I hope you dolls have a wonderful day. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.